This video explains how to add a VMware OS template in HostingController. A VMware OS template is simply a master virtual machine, a .vmdk file, with a pre-installed operating system. It may also contain some pre-configured applications. This virtual machine serves as a template for creating other virtual machines. Before adding an OS template to HostingController, it's necessary that an OS template is prepared. To learn how to prepare an OS template, see the link below. To add an OS template, navigate to the top right corner and click the Configurations cog. Then go to OS Templates under Virtualization Module Configurations. Click the Add OS Template button. Specify a friendly name for the template. This is a name for your own understanding and can be any easy name. Select a repository server for the template. This is the ESXi host where all the templates reside. Select a base OS type for the template. HostingController associates an OS template with a base OS type. While creating a virtual machine, if you specify the base OS type, HostingController automatically fetches the appropriate OS template. For example, if we select Windows Server 2016 Datacenter 64-bit as the base OS type here, it will associate this base OS type with the template. Specify the login credentials for the OS template. This includes the default administrator account. Specify the password for the administrator. Confirm the password. Specify a public network name. Specify a private network name. Locate and select the master virtual machine, the VMDK file, to be used as the OS template. This master virtual machine will serve as the template for creating further virtual machines. Finally, hit the Save button. The OS template will be added to the panel. Once the OS template has been added, public IP addresses need to be added to HostingController. You may define a range of public IPs in HostingController. These IP addresses can then be assigned to virtual machines. To add IP addresses, click the Configurations cog on the top, once again, and then hit Public IP Addresses, under Virtualization Module Configurations. You will land on the Public IP Addresses page. Click the Add Public IP Address button. Select the ESXi host to which the IPs are to be allocated. Define a range of public IPs. These IPs will then be subsequently assigned to virtual machines. First IPs in the range would be assigned first. Provide a subnet mask. Specify the default gateway. Specify preferred DNS. Specify alternate DNS. Specify a MAC address. A static MAC address can be associated with a public IP address. Whenever the IP is assigned to a virtual machine, the MAC address is assigned along. HostingController supports a one-to-one mapping for IP to MAC. A single IP address can be mapped to a single MAC at a time. A range of IPs cannot be mapped to a range of MACs. Finally, hit the Save button. The range of IPs is now available on the panel. Any free IP from this range can now be assigned to a virtual machine. Next, see how to provision a VMware virtual machine. Try HostingController today.